Thank you, Sir Weasley. Thank you. Oh, what is it? Guys, wow. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, AG Dream Hunter. And if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, then click the tiny bell and share so you will be updated on my next video. So guys, I've just done cooking. As you know, someone called me that they are there on my apartment, on our apartment, and then they said I have a box to receive here, and you know, I don't know what's inside, and someone is very kind to send it to me. Hello, Sir Weasley, thank you so much. Thank you. So let's open what's inside, and I'm gonna show you it's, I think it's a bag. So we're gonna open it. So I'm gonna get the scissor first. Okay, so let's open it. So Jane is supposed to be on my side while I open this one, but she is doing the laundry of the kids. So she is, I don't know. Oh, so me. Oh, what is it? So despite to all the bashers that I receive, I mean that I've read in on the comment, there's still a lot of people who's very, you know, who's very good, and because I believe that out of 100% bad people is only 30%, 70% are good. So here, this is the goodness. Let's open it. Thank you, Sir Weasley. Thank you. Oh, what is it? Guys, wow. I can see it from here. I recognize the picture. Okay. Oh. Wow. Wow, guys. It's lapel. Wireless microphone for the camera. Wow. Thank you so much, Hawaii. Thank you, Sir Weasley. You know, guys, I really didn't expect blessings to me because, you know, I am just a simple girl, but me and Jen, God really bless us. So thank you so much. Let's open this one. Oh, how to open this? Oh my God, yeah. Wow, guys, look at that. It's lapel. Oh my God. Wow. Woohoo. And I'm gonna put here or here. Oh, look at this. And I think this should go to, I don't know, what is it? Is it for the camera? I think we're gonna put it in the camera, and then this will go to your pants or to your shorts. And here, right here, there is, wow, this is so Wow. Wow, guys. Let me try this one. Let me try. Oh my god. I don't know how to use it. Okay. Like this. Wow, I'm a blogger. And then this will go, somewhere. Wow. And here, there's another one here. Look at this, guys. I think this is for the phone. We're gonna check because there's a paper in here. I'm going to check this one. So here, this is so cute. That, guys. And there's another microphone in here. And where you can... Wow, this is so amazing. Wow. And here, the clip microphone. Here. Sure. Clip. Wow, here's the one. Clip microphone. And then, is it? Maybe this one goes to the... Here. Awesome. Okay. Here. Or if I want to talk to the people, interview. Like that. Yeah, this is so amazing. This is really amazing. And there is the charger, I think. I don't know if it's a charger. Wow. I didn't. We need to charge this first, I think. Look. I'm so impressed. I'm so thankful. Thank you. And this one goes to... This one is charge. Yes. USB charge. This one. This is the charger. Okay. Goes here. Yes, it's right. Here. Guys, I don't know. I think this is for the camera. But I don't have camera yet. But look. This is too big for the phone. So, I think for the camera. So, because if you're gonna put it here, it won't fit. So, maybe it will go to the camera and it will goes to my here. Here's a power. Oh, it's working. Hello. So, full charge. Wow, guys, this is so amazing. My god, I'm so excited to use this one, but I don't have camera yet. We will go that, it will happen. So this one, I think I'm gonna try this later. I think it will fit on the phone. Yes, it will fit on the phone, and then this will goes to your like that. It's amazing. So let's put it back. So once again, Sir Weasley, thank you. Sir Weasley, thank you so much for your kindness. You are really what can I say? Thank you so much, and I hope you're going to enjoy all my videos. And shout out also to all of my friends who wants to help me also. And you guys are really amazing. Jane and I are really amazed. Sir Eddie, thank you. Sir Robert, thank you. Sir Weasley, thank you. Everyone. We are so blessed. Thank you so much. We don't expect this one, and this is just, a big blessing, a really big blessing to me and to Jane. So she will use it, I will use it, we will share. Okay, thank you so much once again. I hope, take care everyone, and spread the love, spread the good vibes every day. Bye bye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the tiny bell so you will be updated on our next video. And don't forget also to share. Bye bye guys. Mwah. Thank you. Thanks everyone. Bye.